Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change microphone to use on your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN application and then click on your earbuds here. Now scroll down and you need to find microphone. And right here near to dual connection we have it. Now tap on it. And by default it uses automatic, so it swaps between the left one and right one earbuds. But right here you can select to use only only microphone on your left ear, but or on the right one. So let's say you need a right one, you just tap on it and then confirm. Now you wait. It should reconnect. And now if we return to the microphone, right here we have the information that we use on the right one, and you can see that here also. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.